Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020, and Friday finished the week up at another all-time high. We continue to march higher, and today is the last trading day of the month. So I figured we would take a look at what has happened historically on the last trading day of the month after some strength. So let me set this up in Discover. We'll look at all four instruments, and the setup is going to be based upon getting long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, for the pattern that we're going to use, I'm going to skip over the opening filters to try to keep as many samples as possible. Currently, we are trading up a little bit, and I'm really not sure which way we're going to end up opening up. So I'm going to leave this out for now, but I would encourage you guys to come back to this section later as we get closer to the open and add a gap direction or opening area to the study when you run it on your own. I am going to go into the price patterns, and I'm going to go to this new highs section, and I'm going to say that the prior session closed at a 10-day high. So the highest closing price of the past 10 days, I just added that there. Then I'm going to go into the indicator section. I'm going to say it is above a 200-day moving average. I would normally add a 10-day moving average as well, but since we've got it at a 10-day high, that by definition will be above the 10-day moving average. And then calendar, I'm going to come into the unique days section, and I'm going to say that today is the last trading day of the month, and then run the results. And here we go. So these are the results of going long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when the prior session closed at a 10-day high and above the 200-day moving average, and today is the last trading day of the month. So historically, dating back to 2003, we've got 36 samples in the S&P, we've got 56 in the NASDAQ, 40 in the Dow, and 40 in the Russell. And looking at the win rates on these, the win rate is simply telling you what percentage of these have closed above the opening price, since it's entering at the open and exiting at the close. And the S&P, 39% have closed above the open. So 39% have ended up with a green candlestick on that day, 43% in the NASDAQ, 40% in the Dow, and 48% in the Russell. So what I see there, none of those are better than 50-50. All of these are at least hanging on the lower end of win rates, historically speaking. So based on data going back to 2003, this pattern of strength going into the last trading day of the month has not been very bullish historically. And again, I would encourage you to go into this opening filters section and test out the different opening locations as we get closer to the open, because that will have a bit of an impact on the study, but you can do that on your own. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.